One of those days where I don't do anything, so I'm just gonna nip outside now, get myself a Subway sandwich and come right back. But if you want, you can join me for the walk. That took all of about 15 minutes and I'm back at the apartment now. I'm gonna find a movie to watch online. I wanted to watch American Psycho. Am I the only person in the world that's never seen that before? A friend suggested it to me the other day and I've been searching for it online and I can't find it. So I'm gonna watch something else. I went for the chicken teriyaki, foot long, 2 cookies, and a drink, which you saw. Wait, actually, do you have this? I don't know if I've seen this back at home. I know they have it in Beijing, but I don't know if I saw it when I was back home. Is this in Nottingham, anyone? I don't know. And is it any good? I think I've tried it before, but I forgot. But apparently it's got all my daily vitamin needs. Vitamin C needs. I don't know. Alright, see you next time. Bye!